In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticker icon in Figma. We'll grab a high quality sticker icon from Figma's community and bring it into your project so you can start using it right away. First, head to figma.com in your browser or open the Figma desktop app and make sure you're signed in. You can follow along in either version. From the main screen, open the community. You'll find it in the left sidebar or along the top, depending on your layout. The community is a huge library of free files shared by designers, and it's the fastest way to find polished assets without starting from scratch. Use the search bar in community and type sticker icon. Give it a second to load the results. If you see a lot of plugins or widgets, filter for files so you're browsing design templates. Skim the previews and look for a style that fits your project: rounded, flat, playful, or minimal. You can click into a file to see more pages, component names, and usage notes. It's also a good moment to check the licensing details shown on the file page to ensure it's free to use in your context. When you find the template you like, open its page and click Open in Figma. This duplicates the file into your account, usually in your drafts or recents. If you're prompted to log in, do that and the file will appear automatically. Once the file opens, locate the sticker icon you want. Icons are often organized on a main cover page or grouped inside frames. Click the icon to select it. If it's a component, selecting the top level instance will make it easier to paste elsewhere. You can confirm your selection in the Layers panel, so you copy the entire icon instead of a single shape. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. Switch back to your project, open the file and page where you want the icon to live, and navigate to the correct frame or canvas area. Paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. The icon arrives as vector artwork, so it stays crisp at any size. Drag to position it and hold Shift while resizing to keep proportions consistent. If the icon's colors aren't quite right, select it and adjust the fill values in the right sidebar. Many community icons are grouped thoughtfully, so you can tweak strokes, shadows, and fills without breaking the design. That's it. You went from discovering a sticker icon in community to placing it in your own project, ready to style and reuse. Save your file and you're good to go. Good.